everybody, and welcome back to another Cash Stuffing Sunday. Hope you are all getting on fierce well. We are back at it again. Look at me being consistent, lads. Honestly, who am I? So we're now into March, and yeah, I don't know how I'm feeling about this month. It is a little bit all over the place, but yeah, at the same time I still feel I'm in control of it. So this month isn't too bad money wise. I still have my little list of things that we're going to spend out on. So before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the YouTubey things. Let me know in the comments if there's anything more you'd like me to do, or, you know, I'm still, even though I'm at this for about a year, I'm like hit and miss when it comes to the whole cash stuff and things, you know, because like some weeks I'll have a great week and then other weeks I'm absolutely like rock bottom. I can do nothing. But this year I'm really trying to stay focused since like we'd say start of February, and I've kind of like consistently been cash stuffing every single week because I get paid weekly. Some people get paid monthly, and with that you'll have to budget your money, you know, by 4. So for me, I find it quite easy being able to do it weekly because that's when the money comes in. So without further ado, let's get on with it. This week we are doing 120. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So that is 120 smacarinos. Let's get into it. I'm going to pay these bills off today as well, so that would be emptying this out for me as well, so that could be great. So first off is food, 20 quid. Now obviously 20 quid doesn't do me very far, but it still helps. I am trying to build it up. Council tax is getting, what's council tax getting? Oh, that's getting 20 as well. I'm going to pay that today. Let me see how much I have in it, because 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's grand. So then I have to only add another 40 to that. Perfecto. That is brilliant. Water is also getting 20. Very is getting a tenner. Let me see, what else have we got? Argus is getting a tenner. That's grand. Cubs aren't getting anything this week, even though they're on tomorrow. Music is getting 20, which we have tonight. So that's grand. That's that allotted for. Water, Argus, very music, and then I have 20 left over. How am I having 20 left over? Food, council tax. Oh yeah, childcare is getting a tenner. That's a tenner. Where am I going here? Oh, so then we're going to put this into the sinking funds. Woohoo! Sinking funds is actually getting a go. So at the minute I'm focusing on my sinking funds for my car insurance, because that will be due soon. So far I have a tenner, and now I have 20. So yay! Because this year I have no idea what way I'm doing it. So it's better to be prepared than not prepared. So that's that done. Right, penny saving challenge is next. So this one is done, so we don't have to go back on it. I don't think I have much in the pocket today, but let's see. Oh, 250, 252. Okay, so I'm taking the £2 out. That can go into music because I need another 3. So we're going to do 52 on this one. Do I have a 52? I do. Now 52 is done. Don't forget to update your penny saving tracker as always. Guys, as always, this is a fierce, quick cash stuffing Sunday, but you know what? If it keeps you all motivated and you all do your little bit of cash stuffing when I upload, at least we're all saving money together, whether it be big or small. Some of you are going to be able to save more than I am, and fair play to you for being able to do it, but at the minute, this is where I'm at. So without further ado, I'm going to say adieu, and see you next week. Don't forget to catch me on Makeup Monday, Cash Stuffing Sunday. Wally Wednesday is coming back in. I just did some gardening yesterday, so I will show you a little bit of what I've been doing there. So I'll talk to you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching. Mwah.